Fourth standard students, let us start from page number 86. Draw the radius of this bangle using a ruler. Measure the length of the radius. So in this bangle, you can see the center. It's called center of the bangle. And bangle is in circular shape. So what you will do? You will, with the help of ruler, so first you will join, okay, join and then read. So the radius of this bangle is, you can see here, you will keep little bit exact on the center, and now you will see exactly 1.5 centimeter. So what you will do, you will draw a circle with the help of rounder I will show you, and 1.5 you will draw. Measure first 1.5 with the help of ruler in the rounder. I will show you. Okay. And then draw the circle. And then the circle you will give the design like bangle in your notebook. And this chapter you will do in your geometry notebook, interleaf notebook. Okay. One page is blank and another page lining page. That type of notebook you will use for doing this chapter. On the blank page you will draw the figure. Okay. Draw the radius of these circles. Guess which circle has the longer radius? So you can see the longer radius will be having in this circle because this circle is bigger than that circle. So easily first you will join this to this and then measure. So I am not joining because in one hand, in my left hand, the mobile is there. So not possible. So what you will do, I am showing you first you. So exact you can see here, point is in front of the 0. You can see, and the end point of on the circle, so exactly in front of the 1. So the radius of this circle is 1 centimeter. Okay. How you have to do, I will show you. Okay. Same way, here you will see the radius of this circle is 1.5. Okay. So same way I am giving you idea. First you 1 centimeter, you will take radius with the help of ruler. And a rounder you will use, and then draw the circle on the blank pages. Right? Now measure the radius of both the circles using a ruler. Write the length of their radius. Radius of the green circle 1 centimeter. Radius of the blue circle 1.5 centimeter. Okay. Now find out. Measure the radius of the wheels of a bicycle or a bullock cart. You can use a thread or a measuring tape. So at your home, bullock cart is not possible, but bicycle. So in the bicycle, first what you will do, center you will choose, and then with the help of thread or tape, measuring tape, you will write here radius of the bicycle, wheel of the bicycle. Have you seen a tractor or a roller? Yes. Which is the biggest wheel you have ever seen? So, biggest wheel. 1.5 centimeter. Are all wheels of a tractor or road roller of the same radius? No. So you will write in here your answer. Don't believe my answer, your experience you will share here. Then we will decide. Okay. Now you can see how I have drawn the circle, and it's called rounder. In the rounder, keep this thing in your mind. The sharpen point of the pencil, this, its gun, and the rounder's needle, both should be in the same level. You can see? Okay. And don't use darkened pencil for drawing the circle. So OP you can see here, and OQ, OR. Okay, in this way. Now if you want to draw a circle of 1.5 centimeter, so see here, suppose that it's a ruler. So 1.5. So you can see needle in front of this, and 0 should be in front of the gun of pencil. Then you will draw in this way. You can draw with the help of rounder. Okay. And it's called center of the circle, and radius when you will draw O2. Another one end point of line segment should be on the circle. So you will get radius. In this way you will draw. Okay. Now see here. Lali and Kali are tied to a pole with ropes. You can see here Lali and Kali. Kali has a longer rope. Who can look for more grass to eat? So see here, if Kali will move, so longer rope she is having, so she can graze more area of the garden, and it's a smaller. So got it? Now see Daljit's design. Daljit has made these designs using a compass. You can see here Daljit is drawing different, and then he has drawn the different radius. But keep this thing in your mind. This center of the circle is common in this all the circles. 1, 2, 3. He has drawn 3 circles, but center of the circles is same in this for these 3 circles, and then he has colored. Same way here also he has drawn. His sister came and started making more designs with him. You can see here. These I have drawn. Do you want to make such designs? To make such designs, you will need to use a compass. Maybe, And instrument, you have seen children when we go for fair and they use different design in that net, small net. If you will ask to your parent, they will tell you. Okay, but when we use these designs, and where you have seen this type of designs? Yes, especially in the bed sheet we see, and rangoli on the Diwali occasion, in rangoli design. Okay, now you can see so many designs of rangolis on YouTube. Even I have also drawn by using this circular shape or rectangle, or so try to make different design by using the circle. Okay, and send on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay.